Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this plantain and oat bread. You can also call it cake. If you are new here, you are welcome. For my old subscribers, I say thank you for always watching my videos. As usual, I will leave the list of ingredients below, so do well to check it out. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will start by introducing my ingredients. Here I have both ripe plantain and banana, which I just took out from the freezer and allow it to melt. I also have another ripe banana, not frozen. I'll be using everything. I will be blending everything. By so doing, I will add the plantain and the banana into the blender. Next, I will crack my 2 eggs and add it into the banana and plantain as well. In cracking your eggs, you want to be careful to crack it one by one in order for you not to have a mixture of bad egg with a good one, because it has happened to me before. I will go further to add my vanilla extract, and then I will be adding my cinnamon powder. I will add honey. This is very optional since we have ripe plantain and ripe banana. I'll also be adding my hazelnut, is also optional as well. And then I'll add the chopped almonds. I will not be adding everything for now. I will show you what to use the rest almonds to do later. Now I'll be adding the oats I blended. I blend these oats myself. You can skip this part, I mean the oat blending, and add your oats just like that. I will go ahead also to add my liquid milk. This is also optional. And I will then add the baking soda. And then I will cover up to blend everything together until I have a liquid batter. Now that I have blended all my ingredients together, the next thing is to take my baking pan and pour this batter into it. What I did was to spray some olive oil into the pan before placing the parchment paper. And in the place of olive oil I sprayed on my pan, you can use your butter, or better still, you can just use butter and then sprinkle some flour into the pan without using the parchment paper. And now I will be topping this up with some sliced almonds and some of the chopped almonds I kept aside earlier on. You can also substitute this with some coconut flakes. All these are optional, or better still, you can leave it just like that and you will still have delicious and tasty plantain, banana and oat bread. I will be baking this in the oven in 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, or until this is fully baked. Now that our bread is fully baked, I will allow it to cool down before cutting some slices out of it. Guys, this plantain and oat bread was so yummy and so delicious. I enjoyed this with some hot tea for my breakfast. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.